are Jay Castroverde, Manuel Binondo, and John Patrick Abragante. Fourth referee is Joshua Tiberio.
With 17, parang wala din siya sa bench ngayon eh.
Pero nakita ko siya kanina eh.
Nandiyan siya kanina pero tinitignan ko ngayon. Parang wala. Well, we'll see.
Yeah. Shaq Alanis spins inside against Leland Estacio, and he will score the first basket, or sorry, the second basket for the Dark Horse.
With a Shaq-like move. Siya, Estong Ballesteros, a UST legend and champion. If I'm not mistaken, was able to get at least 2 or 3 championships in the 90s.
Yeah. And he really moves much better. Confidence at a sky high. Much like this guy, Shaq Alanis.
Roger Yap, our very own Marlon Basco, they will be competing again in Japan next year. For a guy who has been around enough, hanggang si Sol Mercado at Gabe Norwood naging
While playing, you know, while studying, while playing, he had to work sa UST hospital, you know, just to make ends meet. So imagine that. Established career was the 2 championships, which he was a main figure for Coach Arik.
Hindi, kasi naalala ko, backup siya ni Jervy Cruz.
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah, si Jervy Cruz, inabot namin. Alam mo, si Jervy Cruz, as you see the missed layup, but the cleanup by Lester Reyes. Si Jervy Cruz.
To Jer Olegario. Well, Mika mentioned these guys na pwede rin ma-rejuvenate yung kanilang mga careers here. Jay Collado.
Because of the influx of talent, guys like Jay Collado, they would take the risk of getting roles like pinagsama dapat yun eh.
Baseline inbound. Look who is in the ball game.
Yeah, Jeremy Robinson. So sabi ko sa'yo eh, mas niwala ako sa memorya mo. Baka nagwa-warm up lang siya kanina, no? Habang tumitingin tayo sa bench. So, hindi na ako disappointed. Makikita natin.
Working on King Destacamento. 7 seconds left on their shot clock. Mamaradlo layup will trickle in. Obuyes gets it to Justin Alano. 5-point lead for Valenzuela. Obuyes finishing through contact over Ken Brillantes. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBN.
Halos wala ng man.
23-15, nice pass inside Brillantes. Masyadong malakas.
Kung may score on top board, meron yun eh. Pero mintis ang kanyang basket. This is probably the first time in a long time wherein Sarangani has the chance to be an above 500 team.
Yeah.
At 2-1.
Tama.
Okay, so any small victory, a taste of being above 500, you will take it, especially of how awful you've been the last few seasons.
Last season, I think they started 2-9 before Coach Toto Dohilio came in.
That's exactly my point.
And
then he had a winning record, no?
Yeah. Oo nga.
Can be in 2 places at once.
32-18. Lars Sunga, the trifecta, he backs it in.
Pero alam mo as Lars Sunga...
And Leland Estacio, bola muntik ng maagaw ng Valenzuela. But Ryan Lacap. Bola napunta kay Val Chauca. Hindi nakaset yung depensa ng Sarangani. Olegario tumira sa 3. Yes! Shaq Alanis is back on the floor. Collado, this time he takes the free and makes it.
Season compared to last season.
Estacio.
Ganda ng palpal na yun.
That was Shaq Alanis. Nasa palabas ni Alanis. Val Chauca, walang alinlangan. Gets that one to go. Outlet papunta kay Olegario. Shot fake, takes the free. And it knocks it down. Freeze raining on the side of Valenzuela. Talaga.
Yan ang mga hilig niya eh, mga tulad ni J.R. Olegario.
3 na naman galing kay Val Chauca, who is smoking hot with 15 points.
He's having himself a ball game. Shaq Alanis feeling himself right now after that 3. Sorry about that, Ken.
Ano siya, isang mintis pa lang eh, galing dito kay Val Chauca. Meanwhile, is Andre Duremdes getting himself on the board finally for Sarangani.
Oh, that's his second field goal. He has 4 already in this game. But a much-needed basket nonetheless para sa Sarangani.
They go to the post. This is Ongteco. Mintes, agawan sa bola, napunta kay Estacio with a running start. Leland takes flight, a slam! Following it up was King Destacamento.
Okay. Something that Sarangani definitely needs. Maybe that play could boost them a little bit. Hindi ko alam, may ganyang hops pa pala si Destacamento. Parang huling nakita kong ganyan yung hops niya nung nasa Baco or Strikers pa siya. Val Chapka, beautiful fake. Fake news.
Puntahan si Peromingan.
Nice
Desoyo
move.
pulling up. That is pure from Alex Desoyo.
What a beautiful hesitation move to create separation and make the basket. Desoyo.
Had to overcome injuries recently to si Alex Desoyo.
Turnover.
Almost, it is a turnover. Takbo na dito. Destacamento, no look pass. Duremdes will lay it up and in. Also very efficient from the field. 6 out of 7, 4 of 5 from 3. Mix Pascual. That's a much needed basket to open up the third for Sarangani. Mikey Macabalyog and Lester Reyes, the 5 on the floor.
Forced it.
Pascual hit a 3 earlier. Working on Shaq Alanes. Got free for a free, and it's good. Lead down to a dozen. From Sarangani. Pascual, this time from mid-range, gets that one to go. Lead down to 10 points.
Just giving away the basketball in this quarter. A little too much already. The last few possessions is Valenzuela. Sarangani doing a good job, especially itong si Pascual scoring.
Mix Pascual, all 8 of his points in the third quarter.
I don't think Val was even had the intention to foul. Nonetheless, Sunga mas mapapaganda pa. 4 on the offensive glass, 4 also on the defensive.
Alanes lines it up, and the back is open for Shaq.
Reyes, after getting the rebound, had a chance for the outlet pass kay Oligario, pero gusto niya i-set up, mukhang pagod na rin siya tumakbo. Papunta sa kabila.
Chauca, no look pass. Lester Reyes, anong
Yun
pagod?
Yun. Yun. Pag pinasa niya kasi in the half court, makaka-jogging siya pababa. Set up pa ni Chauca. Eto, ginagawa niya na yan. San Juan Days pala.
Pascual has 8 points all in this quarter. Tries another free and gets that one in.
It's just something about it. 11 points already at pang ngatlong 3-pointer niya na yun.
Yeah. At nakuha pa niya yung rebound. Nice
Good pass.
outlet. Lock up in stride. Masyadong malakas. Couple of Sarangani big guys going to the offensive glass, and the putback is good for King.
And lowering down the percentage of Valenzuela from 62 now to 50%. Although mataas na clip pa rin yun, pero big basket ito. Pamatay sunog.
Nahanap si Brillantes, umikot, muntik ng maagaw, 4 seconds left. Bodies on the floor, they find a wide open 3, pero Mingan who hits a free. Meron pang pagkakataon na maibaba pa ilabang under a minute remaining. In the third, lock up, sinagasalang yung depensa, getting 2 points. Alanes, only 9 points.
Ganda depensa nila.
Collado fading away over Ken Brillantes. He hits it for his third. Ken Brillantes and King Destacamento. Oh, King able to escape using his offhand to finish off that layup.
A beautiful read that time as it was a blitz double team on lockup after the screen. And how about the roll, the catch, and the finish by King?
This lead was once at 25. Bola na
Turnover.
agaw, pero Mingan with a 3 earlier. Switching hands in mid-air, just could not convert.
Destacamento, Brillantes, pasok.
Isa na lang. 64-63.
Diminishing the big if that you mentioned late in the third quarter.
Mingan. This guy going under the screen, and he makes them pay for the very first lead.
They need a heater right now because their shooting has gone cold.
Just 5 out of 22 from the field in the second half. Pero ang Sarangani kanina pang nagliliyab. And Mix Pascual really was the one that sparked it in the third with those 11 points. Jeremy Robinson who just played
Pag-croquis si Coach Estong, they find him here. And Jeremy Robinson.
Peromingan using that Brillante screen. Ken Brillante's jumper is good.
Ito si Coliano, ang ganda ng pasa niya, hindi lang naipasok ni Chauca. Agaw!
Intercepted by Robinson. Drives. Ball rolls out. They get the ball back. Inside Robinson. Pumweksa sa ilalim. Getting 2 points. Wow! He misses.
Badly.
But Olegario there. He will lay it up and in. Wild sequence from Valenzuela. Muntik nang masubsob. 3 pump fakes by Alano. Got back his own miss. Supalpa, linamot kay King Destacamento. Now to our last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Soaring and scoring was Jeremy Robinson.
That's how you finish a fast break. Even though it's not a dunk, what's important is that you finish it. Making up for the last miss was Jeremy.
Pascual stepping back. The reload. Air ball.
Another air ball.
Olegario. Valchauca stopping on the dime. Gets the friendly bounce.
The two-guard combination of Olegario and Chauca has been quite lethal today.
22 points for Valchauca.
11 for Olegario. This time Olegario serving his running mate, Valchauca. Less than 11 minutes.
But all 7 of those points coming in that
fourth.
pivotal run.
Yeah.
What a way for Valenzuela to break through after 2 disappointing losses.